Okay, now we're going to see how long it takes to install 50 feet of the ultralight. I'm ready when you are, Oscar. We use the half-hitch method on the install of these. We found that it does the best job of securing these hammer unions during a failure. Now, if you'll notice when we get to this chicksen area here, he's going to secure that chicksen. And that's one of the disadvantages to using the rope is on your chicksens and your plug valves. Generally, you have to skip over those. So, if you'll notice how we lock in on this chicksen here, we're going to half hitch before the chicksen union. We want to create a half hitch on each side of every hammer union. Then we're going to throw a single hitch in the center of that chicksen there. What that does, we see a lot of failures in the field to where that chicksen will fail on one side and then it snaps the nut loose on the opposite side. So by including this single hitch in the center here, we've had great success with securing those. And again, put a half hitch on each side of every hammer union. And if you'll notice, we have that piece right there is locked in. There's no potential failure point that does not have a hitch next to it. That sling there is frayed from us testing it yesterday at 16,200. So if you see a sling like that in the field, do not install it. We're just using it as a sample this morning from our test yesterday. And that's 50 feet right there. Looks like 3 minutes, 12 seconds. Good job, Oscar. Thank you. Again, one of the things that's nice about the half hitch, we've designed this ultralight system to be installed in the half hitch, and we found over the years that the half hitch does the best job of securing these individual components during a failure. So, thank you for watching.